Morning guys, and today we are going to Alabang Town Center or ATC to pull out some specs or eyeglasses from Sarabia Optical. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako. And by the way guys, di pa rin ako pwede mag-glasses pero papagawa na ako. Papacheck na ako na eyes kasi feel ko tumaas na yung grade ko. Pero siguro after 2 weeks pwede na mag-glasses kasi 2 months dapat siya. Then after that, yeah, yun lang yung lakad. Cancel yung meeting today. Sa wedding dapat yun. And if you want wedding updates, do follow my fiance's vlog, Rhea. Yan. Follow nyo lang. Lagay ko sa description box. And today, I'm wearing Vibe with the Legends. I'm wearing the Certified Lover Boy tee. Yan. I love the back print of this. And we got shorts from Hustle Club. Yan. Ganda nila. I mean, ganda na shorts nila. And this is my favorite one, yung Bryant na shorts. Sobrang ganda. Gonna post my OOTD here. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go to Sarabia Optical. Hi guys, we are here right now sa Sarabia Optical. Ayan. Hi Morgan.
Welcome to Sarabia Optical. We've been here for almost 115 years. We started 1906 talaga. So, si Sarabia Optical is one of the leading optical shops here in the Philippines. And we actually carry premium and luxury brands like Gucci, Givenchy, and yung Lindbergh, and of course, yung mga other premium brands that you know. So right now, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga premium frames namin from US and Italy. So first, si Luxolite. Luxolite siya. Then again, super stainless steel siya. It's very lightweight. And ito yung mga children's frame namin. So yun yung mga entry namin na eyewear namin.
Para sa'yo.
Ayun siya. And then for Sarabia Optical kasi, we actually offer hindi lang premium frames but premium lenses. So very affordable and very useful naman siya and durable at the same time. So, ayan. Actually, marami talagang brands si Sarabia. May mga simple sole kami, mga twist, and of course, mga lightweight namin, mga uncommon. So, it's actually designed in collaboration by Filipino designers and US designers talaga.
Ito, yung frames lang.
Yung mga frames lang talaga. We do have packages rin naman, but we actually eager our people kasi na mag-upgrade talaga sa mga lenses. Ngayong araw, we'll be checking your eye grade and astigmatism kasi in collaboration with Essilor is our transition lenses.
Ayan nga yung parati ko nire-request sa diba?
So, our transition lenses is one of the specialized lenses that we have, and it protects your eyes from blue light 3 times. Unlike yung sa other blue, yung mga blue light na defense, na ano siya, 3 times to, and it gives you SPF in the eyes and UV rays. Kasi ito, it protects your eyes from UV rays na nagsasunburn rin pala yung eyes natin.
Anong price nito? Yung lens na transition?
11,600.
Pero complete na siya, di ba? Like,
lens lang siya.
Pero you like, may blue light na siya.
May blue light na siya, may eye grade na siya for astigmatism.
Tapos transition.
Tapos transition na siya.
Yung ano niya, yung anong tawag dito, how many days siya ginagawa? Kunyari, nagpagawa ngayon.
For days kasi, depending sa prescription.
Depende.
3 to 7 business days. Depende kung may ano talaga. Order rin talaga siya sa supplier. And then yung urban namin, acetate siya, hindi lang siya plastic. So, unlike other optical, ayoko na may compare talaga, pero ang raming design na mapapipilian nyo. And then, next naman natin is ito, mga metal frame naman natin, yung mga rim, half rim, as yung mga gateway. Mamaya buksan natin para makapag-try out kayo.
Yan, cute na ito.
And then yung gentle boss namin. And then yung design namin na other is yung GQ eyewear namin. Ito. Yan, mga GQ eyewear. Then yung elegant namin. Then yung iconic. So, Japanese brand siya. So, at Sarabia Optical, may Korean, Japanese, US, and Italy. And then, ayun. Ayun. Yung highlights.
Okay guys, tapos na tayo mag-check ng eyes. Same ano pa rin tayo, grade. So, papagawa yung, transition, ilang days pa. Pero for delivery na lang.
Sakto na yun. Like, a week yun eh.
Oo, kasi
So, like,
bawal,
a week after, pwede mo na siyang suotin kasi...
kasi bawal pa rin ako mag-glasses ngayon dahil dun sa nose. Pero, yun nga. Nahihirapan na rin kasi ako mag-drive paggabi. Hi guys, so kakatapos na namin kumain. Hindi ko na na-vlog. Pero ayun, yung pull-out namin sa Sarabia. Ilang weeks yan? Next week. Next week
7
na.
days.
Oo, tapos papadeliver na lang. So, kung gusto niyo mag-order, pwedeng through online naman. Tapos, recommend namin na kunin niyo yung lens na parang Essilor lens. Transition na siya. Tapos, blue light. Tapos, computer safe. Tapos, pwede siya may grade. So, ayun. 3 to 4 working days siya. Kaya, super sulit naman. Kaya, check out nyo na lang. Tapos, update nyo na lang kayo dun sa glasses na nakuha namin. Guys, so we are waiting here sa labas. Then, sakto dumating yung Mutual Respect. This is their newest collection. Release nito is on October 28th. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung quick preview. Wait lang Yan siya guys. So, we have a pink one. So, we have a cream one. Tapos blue yung logo. We have an orange one with black logo. Then, this one is parang military green with orange logo. Sobrang ganda. Gawa ko na styling video na ito soon. Kaya, make sure to subscribe. Guys, so end the vlog muna here for today. Time to rest. Tomorrow, gagawin namin tomorrow. Need to finish some work, editing ng photos and videos. Plus, I'm gonna upload a new vlog pala tomorrow. So, stay tuned. What's up guys? So for today's vlog, this is gonna be another week in my life. So update lang sa nose. Scar na. So after a week, mag-scar gel na tayo. Then today, we are going to Ikea. So yung full Ikea tour is gonna be up on Rhea's vlog. So click nyo na lang yung link below. I'm gonna put it there. But I'm gonna give you a quick virtual tour. Let's go. GoPro mode on. So today is day 2, shopping day. Yun, nagpakita lang ako ng quick preview yesterday, but today, sige, isasama ko kayo sa loob ng Ikea talaga. Tapos tingnan natin kung ano mga meron doon. Then yun, sana walang music para makapag-vlog tayo. Pero I'll try my best. Kung hindi, we're gonna do a haul na lang. Pero mostly ng haul nasa channel talaga ni Rhea. So yun, I'm gonna put the link on the description box. Guys, we are here right now sa Ikea. We are waiting for sila Larby and Aryan. Darby, hello. Ayan.
GoPro na yan!
Ay, Rhea to.
Ay, hindi na pwede tumambay.
Ay,
Mag-picture ako sana.
GoPro. Hey guys, we are done shopping.
We're just waiting for Aryan and Darby. And guys, believe it or not, closing kami ng mall.
Tapos yung haul namin sa vlog na. Yeah, babe.
Oo.
Excuse me. What's up guys? Good morning. So for today, we are gonna assemble yung mga IKEA, some of the IKEA stuff na binili natin last night. And dumating na yung specs natin from Sarabia Optical. And this is, gamit nila dito is yung Essilor lenses. So, super okay siya. It's transition. Yung transition niya, super bilis niya magbago. Like, nag-a-adapt siya agad. Unlike other transition lenses na ang tagal nung parang pag-change niya ng shade, and it's UV light, tapos meron na rin siyang blue light protection. So guys, I have to change my battery, and look who's here. Nagising it. Sophie. And tama daw siya. Ito, yung assemble natin today is 2 chairs. Stool to, di ba yung tawag? Ito yung name, Hula Bird. Tapos ito kagabi, in-assemble ko na yung parang TV rack na ginawa namin parang console ba yung tawag dito? Parang gano'n, mini console. Yan, para matago lang yung mga extension. Then, yung speaker na Marshall na gift ko kay Rhea, nilagay ko na dyan. Then, ayan, some magazines. Ito hindi ko pa naayos, pero ayan. Assemble natin yung chair. Guys, charge the camera for a bit. Then let's start assembling. And that's it guys, tapos na natin assemble yung first one. And hindi ito yung original plan namin. Original plan namin was yung stool lang na parang 290 pesos. But nung dinner namin siya, medyo wobbly. And syempre doon na tayo sa mas tatagal. So we chose this. Hula Bird yung name. So what we like about this is, first is syempre, ganda ng design niya. Match siya dun sa shelf na binigay din ng Ikea. Kaya shoutout Ikea Philippines. Don't forget to book your appointment at www.ikea.ph. And ayun, they don't accept walk-ins, so they will officially open on November 25. Grabe guys, sobrang exciting yun. Kahapon nga, as in, gusto namin yung meatballs pero sold out na. Pero tinanong ko, magre-restock daw sila. So sa mga meatball lovers dyan, abangan nyo. November 25, they will stock up again on meatballs. And yun nga, what I like about this is, or what we love about this is, adjustable siya. Ayan. So, natatanggal tong part na to. Unscrew mo lang. Then, ayan. Ayan, no? Pwede siyang i-adjust ng ganyan. So, sabihin natin, you want it at this height. Ayan. Screw mo lang siya. Super easy, super quick lang. Then, stable talaga siya. Ayan. As you can see. Tapos this one, nagaganyan siya sa bottom part. Para mag-adapt siya sa floor, lalo na kung hindi pa tayo floor natin. And yeah, there. I'll just assemble the second one, then I'm gonna edit na. So that's it for this vlog. Again, thank you so much again, Ikea Philippines, for inviting me and Rhea. And yeah, for sure babalik kami kasi yeah, assemble lang namin. For sure babalik kami kasi assemble lang namin. Then we are gonna see if ano pa yung mga kulang dito sa bahay. And for the complete IKEA haul, do visit Rhea's page at Rhea Vlogs. Lagay ko lang ulit yung link sa description box, plus yung mga home improvements namin nasa vlog ni Rhea. So, do subscribe to her channel. Plus, ayan. I think that's it for now. I'm gonna finish the other chair. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at IamJeffOng. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.